Hi, this is my extra credit project on atomic history. Atomic history is important because it's the basis of modern chemistry, and it's important for us to know how the modern world of science came to be. Starting off is Democritus. Democritus was a Greek philosopher who lived from 460 BC to 370 BC. His theory was that there were small particles that made up all matter. He had some competition though, and that was Aristotle. He was also a Greek philosopher who lived around the same time. He was born in 384 BC and died in 322 BC. His theory was there are four elements: 1, earth; 2, fire; 3, water; and 4, air. Everybody believed Aristotle because he was a more likable person, but over time, it showed Aristotle was wrong and Democritus was right. Next is Isaac Newton. He was born in 1643 and died in 1727. His nickname is the father of modern science. He discovered gravity, and the story goes that he was walking underneath an apple tree and an apple landed on his head. This influenced him to work in the science and discover gravity. He also worked with planets. Next is John Dalton. He was born in 1766 and died in 1844. His theory was all matter is made up of small particles. In 1801, he came up with the law of partial pressures. Sir William Crookes, born in 1832 and died in 1919, discovered cathode rays, and he found that they move in straight lines. J.J. Thomson, born in 1856 and died in 1940. He found that cathode rays are fast-moving particles. He also found electrons. He discovered isotopes and the mass of speculometry. In 1906, he won the Nobel Prize. Ernest Rutherford, born in 1871 and died in 1937. He determined the structure of the atom, and he also worked with natural radioactivity. He discovered the alpha and beta radiation. He also named the nucleus and proton. Niels Bohr, born in 1885 and died in 1962. He added on to Rutherford's idea. His theory was electrons circle nucleus in large orbits, and the outer orbits could hold more electrons than the inner orbits. Next is Erwin Schrödinger. He was born in 1887 and died in 1961. He made important contributions to the development of quantum mechanics, and he founded wave mechanics, which was electrons do not move in straight lines, they move in waves. Lastly is James Chadwick. He was born in 1891 and died in 1974. Using alpha particles, he discovered a neutral atomic particle, later to be named the neutron. He also contributed to nuclear fission bombs, which were used until modern nuclear weapons were made. In my opinion, I think Isaac Newton was the most contributing scientist of them all, because he not only worked with atoms and chemistry, he worked with planets and gravity, and without the whole modern science world would be different. But all these men are important because without one of them, another scientist's idea would be different, because each theory is a stepping stone to a new theory, and some scientists disprove scientists, and that's it. Thank you.